How to add a Figma link to your Instagram bio. Let's get started, everyone. I have a project open on my screen. To add it, the first step is to click here to share the link of the project you have in Figma. So you click on Share. Here, notice that there's already an option for you to copy the link. Here you can also set who has access to this link, whether it's only invited people, anyone on the team, and so on. You can configure that here. Click here to copy the link. Once the link is copied, go to Instagram. Now click on your profile picture here. And now to add the link, click on the Edit Profile option. Notice that here in this menu, there's the option Add Link. That's where you'll click. And again, you'll click this plus here to add a link. Go ahead and click. Done. Now you can add the link you copied from Figma here in your Instagram bio. I'll show you something. I'm going to click here and then click to paste. If you notice, the link you copied is a bit long, so it won't look very nice on your profile. What can you do about that? Instead of putting this link directly, you can use a link shortener like bit.ly, which you can access through Google, okay? Then you paste this Figma link here. I'll paste it, click to generate your shortened link, and the shortened link will be shown everyone. So basically, you'll copy this link, and this link here, you paste it in your Instagram bio. It looks better, okay? If you want to leave it the other way, you can do that too. So I'll delete this here and put the shortened link instead. You choose how you want to add it. I'm going to click here to paste it. Done. Here you can add a title for this link. I'll write it here. There, finished writing. Now you just click this icon above. Go ahead and click. Wait a moment and your link will be added. Your Figma link will be added. As you can see, the link was added to the bio. You can go back again, and if you look, the link you added from Figma will be there, in this case shortened, okay? That's how you add a Figma link to your Instagram bio. I hope I was helpful. If I helped you, don't forget, help me too by subscribing to the channel.